Exercise 25C, question number 1 and 2. Already explained to you. I am solving from question number 3. Question number 3 is given. Draw a line segment AB 6 centimeter. So this is your AB 6 centimeter. This is your A. This is your B. AB equals to 6 centimeter. Now construct angle ABC 60 degree. Angle A B C equals to 60 degree. Okay, you know how to construct 60 degree, that already I have posted videos on last class. So again I'm explaining how to construct 60 degree. Simply, as you know, in that angle ABC, the middle value B is a vertex on which we are having angle. Okay, so 60 degree that we have to construct on B. So simply we will take center B with any radius. You can start. So I am taking this one as radius. Okay, so with this radius, just draw a semicircle. Okay, now 60 degree that you have to construct. So you know, from this line, this semicircle touches this line on this point and at this point. So you know how to construct 60. This is your 60 degree. Okay, so now this point you got here, this is your 60 degree. So just draw a line. Okay, so this is your 60 degree. Now in the question further it is given, draw the bisector of an angle, draw the bisector of angle ABC. Now we have to draw bisector of angle ABC. So you know clearly bisector means what? Angle bisector. That means this total is 60 degree. So after angle bisector, from here we will get 30 and 30. Clear? So like this we have to solve. Okay, so now this is your A, B and C. Now we have to bisect this ABC because it is given in question, draw the bisector of angle ABC. So again we have to take this compass, and now as you can see, this 60 degree angle is with line AB and this line BC. ये 60 डिग्री जो है ये इतना बन रहा है, ठीक है, और ये लाइन AB और लाइन BC से बन रहा है. तो कभी भी किसी भी एंगल को अगर बाइसेक्ट करते हैं तो जिस बेस पे वो टच हो रहा है, जिस बेस और जिस लाइन के साथ, लाइन ऑफ एंगल के साथ वो बन रहा है, वहाँ दोनों पे सेंटर लेके आर्क कट करते हैं. तो पहले सेंटर ले लेते हैं ये इसको, ठीक है, और कोई भी एक रेडियस के साथ आर्क कट करना है. रेडियस आप चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. सो जस्ट टेकिंग रेडियस हियर, देन कट एन आर्क. ओके, सो फ्रॉम बेस वी हैव taken appropriate radius and with that we have cutted an arc. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये इसको सेंटर लेना है और एक आर्क कट करना है. देन 60 डिग्री यहाँ से भी बन रहा है, तो इसको सेंटर लेना है और आगे फिर एक आर्क कट करना है. हर एक एंगल के लिए सेम प्रोसेस है. ओके, नाउ as you can see we are getting intersection of arcs here. So simply we will join. Now this is your 30 degree. This is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. You can name this one as D. So ABD 30 degree, DBC 30 degree. So like this you have to solve question number 3. Okay. Question number 4. Draw a line segment PQ. So first you will draw a line segment PQ here. Okay. Length is 8 centimeter. So draw a line segment PQ 8 centimeter. Now construct perpendicular bisector. In the video construction of bisectors, Simply I have explained you how to construct perpendicular bisector. So simply construct perpendicular bisector. Okay, then for example, you are getting perpendicular bisector like this. I have explained in that construction video of perpendicular bisectors. Just watch that video, then you will be able to understand this. Okay, now just like this you will get परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर कुछ ऐसे आएगा. ठीक है, तो ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर जो है वो लाइन पी क्यू को यहाँ पे टच कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो इसको देना है आर, फिर इसको मेज़र करना है पी आर को और क्यू आर को. जैसे मैंने बताया है वीडियो में हमेशा इक्वल आता है. टोटल 8 है तो ये कितना आएगा 4 ये आएगा और 4 ये आएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ऐसे बनेगा. लास्ट में आपको लिखना है यस पी आर इक्वल्स टू क्यू आर. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, ड्रॉ लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी. सो फर्स्ट एक लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, देन दिस इज ए एंड दिस इज बी. मार्क अ पॉइंट P on AB such that AP equals to 3. Now from this center A, from this A at 3 centimeter we have to mark a point. Okay, so this is your 3 centimeter. I'm just marking it, and this point is P. Now construct perpendicular on AB at point P. Simply at this point you have to construct perpendicular. The same I have explained you in video in construction part of perpendicular bisectors. So again you will take this as center. Okay, and with any radius you can start. Then draw a semicircle here. Okay, then with this center cut an arc. Then again with this center cut an arc. Okay, then again with same center cut an arc above. Then with this center cut an arc above. Now join this. So simply this is your perpendicular bisector. Okay, then last question, just try that one. It's very easy, you can solve. If you are having doubt, do message for that. Then exercise 25D, I'm just removing this exercise from syllabus because further we are not having that much uses of set squares. Okay, so just for that I'm removing this exercise from syllabus. So only 25C you have to solve in copy till 25C, 25A, 25B and 25C. So chapter 25 is over now.